This is how to create a Neocities website. First, go to neocities.org and sign up for free. So for our username, let's say Wabi site. Okay, and add your tags. Okay, for instance, programming. I'll set the password. Add an email. Then just confirm you're a human. Let's verify. And just click create my site. So we will use the free. Just click continue. And we will go to our email quickly. We will check the confirmation token. I'll just paste the token here and just click confirm email. Okay, so now we will go through the HTML tutorial. We will sign in. So just click go. Click next. And here is your HTML code, and this is your site preview. So just click save. Okay, let's change this to my first website. Click save. Then we will add an h1 tag, this one. And let's close this. Then click save. Then we will add a p tag. So for instance, we'll just quickly copy this one. Okay, we'll paste it here. Okay, click save. Okay, let's add a link. So let's put a link here. Okay, copy this one. And I'll add a p tag. Okay, this will be p. And let's close this. And click save. So we'll add an image. For instance, this one. Paste it here. And okay, click save. Okay, we will add a list. So this is a list in HTML. So then we will add an h2. For instance, h2. Okay, interest. We'll close this. Okay, we'll just click save. Okay, we will add a link. So for the yarn, and we will close this. And just click save. Then we will save this as index.html. And we'll check our website. So now we have our website here in just pure HTML format. Now our HTML tutorial is complete, and let's go to dashboard. And here you can edit your files. For instance, you can edit the index.html and paste your HTML file here and click save. And you can view your website right here. So this is how to create a Neocities websites.